In the next level, we should draw the roof and the floor of this project. So, in order to do it, we use the floor tool. Floor is a horizontal, thick page that is exactly the same with our level. That means that, for example, if I'm in level 1 and draw a floor like a concrete slab, for example, in the view I can see that the level of on it is the same with our level, and the thickness is down of the shape, which is right, and it should be this way. If you want to start, you need to activate the floor tool, which is in the architecture headline. When it's activated, you can see a cross and a check in here, and cross is actually for cancelling it. You activate it, but now you're disappointed, so you click on cross. This is the difference between floor and the wall tool. That when you activated the wall and then click on escape, that would exit, but in floor you cannot click escape anymore. You cannot exit from this headline. And say, for example, I want to go and draw a wall now. Now everything is off. What does it mean? It means that you have left off something, and you can see it here highlighted when you enter it. You see that neither you have cancelled it nor activated it. If you want to cancel a floor, you should just click on the cross. Now let's start drawing. I activate the floor, and here I can see some tools that are little like the tools in the wall, and I can draw my floor by using these. So I come here and draw the structural floor or the concrete floor that I set it's 10 centimeters as a default. And just like I said, we don't want to change it now. We go based on the Revit default. So I pick the line here, which is straight, and start. Now there is a question here. Should it be from inside or outside? Well, based on the cut I drew for you, and I'm sure you already know it, the wall places on the slab. So our slab should be out of the wall, so that our wall can be completely on it. So I start from this point and complete it. Pay attention to this one. When I face the arc, my line needs to be an arc too. It can't be straight anymore. So I come here and select the arc. Start, end. The start is here and the end is here. You see, just like that. Again, I select the straight line and continue. Now, check this out. When I drag this until here, you say that, well, this is the same thing, and I pick it and put it on that part and drag it, but it's not right, you know? What do we have to do here? Well, here you should use the same technique that you draw the wall with to draw this. It happens sometimes, and I don't want to tell you the reason because it takes a lot of time. So I select this and come here, and I don't choose the midpoint. It's wrong. This is the problem actually. Move it a little to find the center. When you found the center, you click on it and then you come here. Well, my hand moved a little, then I will fix it. I drag it onto here and then draw the straight line to here. I want to fix. And then finish. Now see the 3D too. That's it. Now let's go to the level 2. Level 2 is exactly like the last level, it just doesn't have that semicircle. So I come here and select this and then copy. Then we go to level 2 and paste current view. And this is the floor of this level. Now let's go to the next level, which is level 3. So I select the floor and I don't copy from down anymore. And I keep doing this, just like that. There's also a faster way for it, but for now we don't know it, so we keep doing this. Let me tell you something, I've seen a lot of people always ask me, we're confused, should we draw from this one or this one? And I say, first of all, you should have the control of your project. By the way, if you think a little, you know that you should always draw the floor from the exterior wall. Alright, when I finish it in here, I see something. A palette that we are going to see a lot in this part. But what does it say? It says that, would you like the walls that go up to this floor's level to attach to its bottom? But why does it say so? If you remember in the beginning of my explanation, I drew a cut and I said that when the walls are from the MEP level to MEP level, a part of them goes into the floor. Now, this palette wants to help us fix that. But I want you to click on no for now because I want you to face this problem so that you can solve it next session in the right way. So click on no. After clicking no, the next thing that happens is this. You see, the wall is into the floor and we will fix it. Now, level 4. Alright, in level 4, which is here, I should draw its roof and also this way. But when I come here, I don't see the one on the left. So what should I do? That's right, I should turn on the underlay. Underlay level 3. Now let's make a conclusion right here. And that's when we are drawing our floors, the underlay of the previous floor must be on, or we won't be able to draw some of the floors. Now that the underlay is on, we can draw from out, drag this one. There's also another point here, and that's you see in the space between these two. Well, you can draw these two in the same time. I mean, draw it this way and then finish, but I don't agree with it because the execution time of this way might be different with this way. And just like I explained it, because these two are different objects, they need different codes too. So that we can calculate the execution time of any of these separated. So draw one of it first and then finish. Click on no and then draw that one. Then you come here and draw this one, again finish. No. That's it. And you can copy and paste the floor which is in here. So I come here and now the underlay is not too important to be on because I want to paste. This is now designing the MEP floors of a project, and you can also see interferences in here, which is what we talk about in the next episode, and I'm sure you will meet all these details. Now, I want you to draw all of the floors, and if still anything's left from the walls, first of all, do that. And then draw all these floors from base to top, just like me. If you want to improve, you should work step by step. Don't try to run from anything. You need to practice a lot. This one is an example for the class, and I will also give you some example for as your homework. So, good luck.